Morning, guys. June 10, 2024. I got a call from this guy. He said I was there like 4 years ago, and I put some gas in his air conditioning unit, and he said it iced up on Friday, and he shut it off, and it's Monday, so maybe he needs must be a small leak if it lasted 4 years. But anyway, it could be a fan issue, filter, something like that. Most likely it needs a douche or a new system. I think, if I remember right from this guy, I think it's a 410A severely oversized system for the house. I think I remember this guy. Maybe, I usually got a pretty good memory when it comes to shit like that. What I worked on in the past, and with the area, guy calls me from the area that he's in, and we'll have to go see. I think it might be a carrier unit. A carrier unit. ICP maybe. But he said I was there 4 years ago. And he hasn't called me in 4 years, so I mean, it can't be that bad. Well, we'll try to get you some shots when I get over there, maybe. He might be a helicopter type. It's a train. I'm not sure if it's 410 or 22. We're gonna open it up. Most likely 22. Leaker. Whoa. Out here. Somebody's making a nest up top there. It says the fan's running inside. Not sure. It's 4 tons. Wow. Be able to tell once we start it what's in there. Thinking. Here we go. .410A. Good shot. Somebody added dye to it. Oh boy. Let's see if there's any gas in it. This fucker. Somebody built a flipping nest up there. See if we got any gas in the thing. If it's too low, can't add it. Don't sound good. 166, so that's not crazy bad. Probably be able to add some to it. At least there's Freon in it. We'll get some gas and we'll turn it on. See what the hell's going on with it. Give me a leaker. Give me a leaker. Turn it on. Have to get some juice. Oh, she's shutting off on low pressure. She's shutting off on low pressure switch. See how low that is? 410? No good. 57? That's too low. It'll be above 100. Say we're at 60. It's too low. 65 is too low. I'm gonna give it a little douche. Bring that up. Bring that suction up. Bringing that suction up. We're gonna bring that suction up above 100. You can feel the air coming out the top is kind of wimpy. Now, if it was all iced up, this suction pressure, the suction would be dropping right down below zero. So it's been off all weekend, so probably got a slow leak somewhere. See, we're already getting better with our pressure. Giving a little bit more juice. Not crazy low. Start coming down. 4 tons. Way oversized for this house. Even though it's a colonial, it's still oversized. Flipping dog don't sound happy. Ain't crazy low. Alright, see we're at 105 there now. Our subcoolant's at 10. That's better. This is still a little high. Give it a little bit more. Give it a little bit more. Thing's got the flipping shakes to it. Less than 4 years, I mean, that's fine. Not bad. Got a tiny leak somewhere. He says he changed the filters and they weren't really crazy dirty. Subcoolant's at 12. Suction line's at 110, which is fine. It's above 100. Superheat's at 25. That's better. It'll be good like that. It'll be good to go. Leaker. I don't know what year this thing is. It's 410, so it can't be crazy old. Couple of pounds, nothing get sweaty. So we won't. I was here 4 years ago. That seems like a bit long, but maybe. See how much gas I put in it, a couple of pounds maybe. Nothing crazy.